Now the next track is RRR. This I know I told you this whole project has a lot of emotions in there. This RRR, well, the story behind it is, you trying to, make a headway, trying to find a breakthrough, and you just get kicked down every single time, but you just, that resilience telling you that you will not back down no matter what. We will be fine no matter what. We will be fine. So RRR, real recognizes real. That's the title. That's the full meaning. Now let's do RRR. Hi everyone, this is Joy Brown. I'm dedicating this song to every hustlers out there. Please stay strong. Taking 2 bold steps forward. Your boss says what your base, so I've been evicted and I'm shocked. So I sit tight in my lace, so losing all the end I reach sure. I'm glad I made it through the fight. Tell me passing bear, I'm so sure I'll surely make another time. Everyone is watching me. Talents are born, stars are made, oh. I begin to text the rings, cheering me up, give me faith, oh. If you want to hear my story, I feel cry, get some tensions, and I'm getting high on beat, cause I'm gifted full of grace, so we'll make it anyway, we'll make it, we will be okay, we'll make it anyway, we'll make it and we will be fine, we'll make it anyway, we'll make it, yeah, we will be okay, we'll make it anyway. See the distance I've gone far. For anyone interested in my journey, you just keep playing your part, and when you win, they'll see you balling. I'm always figure it out. I'll pull through like guitar. I don't care about no guitar. I'll surely get my cheddar. Now. Don't give it to defeat. You should be standing like statue. It's a challenge you can be. You cannot win every battle. Everyone is watching me. Talents are born, stars are made, oh. I began to text and read, cheering me up, give me faith, oh. If you want to hear my story, you gon' feel cry, get some tensions, and I'm getting high on beat, cause I give them full of grace, oh. We'll make it anyway, we'll make it, we will be okay. We'll make it anyway, we'll make it and we'll be fine. We'll make it anyway, we'll make it, yeah, we'll be okay. We'll make it anyway, and we'll be fine. We'll be fine, we'll be fine, we'll be fine, we'll be fine, I'll go, we'll be fine. On my way, we will be fine. We'll be fine, but I will be fine. Yeah, we'll be fine. Well, I'm gonna sit at 3K. Well, that's just the story about RRR. No, don't back down. Don't give in to defeat, no matter what. Yeah, we will be fine. Stay strong. Just stay strong.